Everyone, today I'm going to show you how to replace a fuel pump on a 25 horsepower Evinrude 2-stroke engine. Here is your fuel pump. It's basically a 2-hose in and out system, very simple. You've got the fuel coming from the gas tank connection to the fuel pump, and then the fuel will come out and feed the carburetor down here. So you have to remove these two screws, the bottom screw on the right and the left, and the pump will come out and disengage. You've got a small gasket back here that will also need to be replaced. And basically that's it. Two screws that hold it down to the engine. And here is the old fuel pump that was cracked in the nipple right here, where it was coming to the feeder to the carburetor, was leaking. And basically you've got the two screws that connect to the frame of the engine, the block of the engine, and you've got a vacuum system here that comes from one of the cylinders that helps the diaphragm pump the fuel, which is inside. You don't need to replace or open this up at all. It's already sealed. I got this on the internet. You can either go with the original versions, which are about $100, or you can get the cheapos online. I got mine from Jet Unit for about $20. Very simple. And so we'll go ahead and take her out and see how she runs. Coming back at you, the old man in the sea. We're out here in beautiful Cabrillo Beach, Southern California, and we'll get ready to start the engine and take her out, see how she performs from the replacement of the fuel pump. As far as the slow idle adjustment, that's already been taken care of. I'll show you that on another episode, how to get that right so you never have a problem with it. So for now, I'm just going to get the engine started and we'll be taking off out into the waters. Love it, man, love it. Okay, here we go. I've already primed it, ready to go. Pretty much already warmed up, and we'll take off and see how she runs. Okay. Beautiful day. This is Cabrillo Beach, Southern California. The old man in the sea is out again. I'm happy. Here we go. got dolphins over here. I don't want to get too close to them, but that's a beautiful sight. They're hunting some bait. Hello everyone. Thanks again for watching my first video. I hope everyone liked it, got something out of it. If you did, please click the like button. And if you want to subscribe to my videos, that would be awesome. I'm coming out with my second video. That was my first. My second video will be about the slow idle adjustment on your outboard. How to make any repairs on it, adjustments or replacements, so you never have a problem with it again. I'm going to leave you with this beautiful scenery, Southern California, Pacific Ocean. Here we go. Enjoy.